Hello, we are Team Spartans. My name is Aditya and I am from second year EMTC.
I am Anuragha, second year EMC. I am Tejaswini Sharike, second year EMC department. I am Neha Gaikwad, second year computer department. Myself Priti Patil. I am from second year EMC department.
I am Moyo Patil, second year IT.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and the ministry which we are working under is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Our problem statement code is SIH 1294 and our problem statement title is Flood Prevention near Dam Basin with real-time data inputs and various sensors. Our team name is Spartans. Our idea for the problem statement is we collect data from various sensors like electrical rain gauge, soil moisture sensor, and water level sensor. We use this data to accurately estimate the inflow of water to reservoir via various ways like rain, etc. Also, we calculate the flow of water from upstream reservoir using various methods. This gives us an accurate data to work on, and we also get an idea of how much volume is increased in the reservoir. We use this data to control the specific opening of gates for controlled discharge of water from reservoir. The data that we collect from various sensors is uploaded on IoT, and we have designed a specific logic to control this data and take required outputs. Also, we can increase the accuracy of determining the inflow of water by using real-time data like weather forecast and current rainfall situation. Also, we have an idea for an actuator, and we can build a gate that opens up to a certain degree, and thus we can control the discharge rate of the water, which will help us prevent flooding of the basin and flooding of the reservoir.
The technology stack that we will be using is rain gas sensor, soil moisture sensor, etc. It will help us to know the intensity of rainfall, the volume of water present in the reservoir accordingly. Using the IoT tech, we will analyze the data that have been received from various sensors that we have installed. A program will be designed in such a way which will help us to know when, how, by how much degree the gates should be opened in order to prevent any excess water dropping out of the reservoir, hence preventing the flood. Also, other external factors like weather forecast, historic flood pattern, which already exists near the dam areas. Using such data, we can also improve the accuracy of our project. Okay, so application of the this idea of the project we can use also in the areas like flood-prone dams surrounded by farms to prevent loss of fertile soil. Due to flood, there is a certain increase, a certain flow of the water in the basin side of the dam, and due to that, there is a loss of fertile soil. Also, preventing loss of life and property by reducing flood outbreak. Due to sudden release of the water, there is a huge loss of life and property, like homes of the people surrounded in the areas of the dams, also farms, crops. Lost due to flooding. So we can use to prevent loss of life and property by reducing flood outbreak. Huge amount of water is wasted during floods, which is saved by controlling the floods, which we can use to good use the water of the flooding by preventing the loss of the water during floods. Also, additionally, we can design a hydroelectric power generation in the project. So we can also use that energy generated by this project to run our project. Also, in various ways, we can use this hydroelectric power generation, and also using the similar idea for the small scale water reservoir in agricultural land. We can use this idea in agricultural land. Also, like we can build this type of like a small agriculture, and we can build to store water, and also saving flora and fauna that is lost due to the flooding, as aquatic life, and the peoples or humans live in the surrounded area of the dam, which is we can use to prevent loss of that flora and fauna due to the flood. the dependencies or showstoppers of our project is it will be in work throughout the year. Hence, it is not only functional during rainy seasons. Increasing accuracy through various sensors, the data that we'll be receiving through various sensors, acquiring data also from the Ministry of Jal Shakti regarding flood history.
We also use data input from MOSDAQ, which is the official site of ISRO, and we get proper weather forecasts from there. Also, our project is heavily dependent on accurate reading of sensors, weather reports, and flood predictions. Our project will work at its optimum level when the all the sensors and weather reports are accurate to the highest degree.